Taj Mahal of South India, Vidhana Soudha, Bengaluru, India. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. On the one hand, Bangalore is a futuristic city, the seat of the burgeoning information technology industry. On the other hand, it is a city with a rich heritage and unique culture that comes alive in many of its iconic structures, like the Vidhana Soudha. Vidhana Soudha, which literally means legislative house, proudly boasts the title of being the largest state legislative building in the country and houses the state legislature and the Secretariat of Karnataka. It is one of the most popular attractions in the lively and colorful city of Bengaluru, India. Counted as one of the most magnificent buildings in the city, it is impressive with its sophisticated poise and glorified grandeurs. With entrances in all 4 directions and 4 floors above the ground level and 1 below it, the magnificent white building is spread over 60 acres of land and boasts of Neo-Dravidian architecture, which reflects a perfect blending of British, Dravidian and Indo-Islamic architecture. The construction was completed in 1956 using about 5,000 unskilled workers, masons, 1,500 chiselers and woodcarvers for the construction. It is fascinating to note that most of the unskilled laborers who worked on the construction of the Vidhana Soudha were convicts serving time in jail, who were promised freedom on the completion of the construction. And yes, they were released. Earlier sessions of the 2 houses took place in Mysore and in the Bangalore Town Hall until India's independence from British rule, when Mysore acceded to India. The state's capital was shifted to Bangalore and the 2 houses moved into Attara Kacheri, a British-built building in Cubbon Park that still houses the High Court of Mysore. On 13th July 1951, the foundation stone of the building was laid by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who referred to it as a temple dedicated to the nation. The edifice is rectangular in shape. The main dome of the building, 60 feet in diameter and supported by 8 pillars, is very elegant and has the Indian national emblem of 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back, mounted on a circular base on the kalasha. The 4 corners have 4 towers supporting domes topped by glittering metallic kalashas, inverted pitcher pots. The most attractive feature of the building is its grand stairs, which has 45 steps and is 204 feet wide and gives direct access to the foyer on the 1st floor. The brainchild of the then Chief Minister Hanumantayya, who wanted it to be the work of an art in keeping with the tradition of the Mysore state. His idea behind bringing the building into existence was to make it a symbol of legislative sovereignty of the people in the same manner as the House of Commons in London. He personally supervised and ordered several particular aspects of the construction. One of them was to inscribe "Government work is God's work" and its Kannada equivalent on the entablature of the front facade. The Karnataka government has constructed a replica named Vidhana Soudha to the south of the building in 2005. It is intended to be an annex building housing some of the ministries and legislative. The structure stands in a silent symphony stretching as far as the eye can see in the heart of the bustling metropolis. It is a silent witness to the march of history and the metamorphosis of Bangalore from a laid-back pensioner's paradise to a bustling urban city. Unfortunately, all three buildings are out of bounds for the general public due to security reasons. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your friends about it.